Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome all my old subscribers and the new ones. The new ones especially, I say you're welcome to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble YouTube channel. Here we always talk about how to make money online, how to multiply your sales, how to multiply your income, your profits, and how to start online business. Yeah. So today I want to tell you something. I want to teach you something real quick. Yeah. I want to teach you how you can multiply your profits, how you can increase your profits on dollar arbitrage. So today I want to start with 100 Ghana cedis. So I want you to grow. I want us to follow these tutorials and grow 100 cedis account to 1000 Ghana cedis account. I hope people will be saying that is it possible to grow 100 cedis account to 1000 cedis account. So that is what we are about to do today. Yeah. So no time to waste. I hope right now everybody have Eversend because we are doing Eversend arbitrage. Yeah. So I want to show you how to grow your 100 cities account to 1000 Ghana cities. That is what I want to teach you today. Yeah. So open your and today you'll be using calculator, Eversend, and Paxful. Yeah. That's what we'll be using today. So we today what we are about to teach or what we are about to learn is how can we grow our 100 Ghana cedis account to 1000 or even more. That is what we are about to learn today. Yeah. So if you want to grow your small account to bigger account, I hope this video will help you, because this video you have to pay critical attention to what I'll be saying, the guidelines I'll be giving, and things. And if you want further explanation, you can chat me and I will take you deep inside. Yeah. So first of all, you will load your money over here, and we have two ways of loading our money to start a USDT or a crypto arbitrage. Yeah, crypto arbitrage. We have two types of doing it. First of all, we can load our Ghana Cedis account by clicking on the loading, and we have three options: either credit card or debit card or more money or filter wave. A lot of people are saying that they don't know how they can load their money on their Ghana Cedis accounts. If you chat me, I'll guide you and charge you small. Yeah. So you load your account, or you can load it from here. Then you click on the crypto, invest USDT, and what you click on what receive. So this receive, you can receive any USDT from any platform to this account straight, and you will receive that USDT into your USDT account. Yeah. So this what we have been doing. Last 2 days, the currency was around the value of the USDT was around 12 12. It was around 12, and right now it is it is it is 11. You see that thing? So this is how we'll be doing it. So today we want to start with 100 cities, and how can we multiply it? So this is how you'll be multiplying your profit every day. Yeah. So I am saying that we are about to grow 100 cities account to 1000 Ghana cities. So watch it well. So first of all, you click on trade, and you click on buy. So we have just 100 cities. So 100 cities, we can buy only 8.34 USDT. With our 100 cities, we can buy only 8.34 USDT. And let me remind you this thing. When you go to Paxful, every buyer or seller has his or her own range. Become something like range. The range means that the person can decide that, oh, I'm buying USDT from, let's say, 1000 Ghana cedis upwards. I'm buying from 100 cedis upwards. You see, so you have to search for people in your category. So if you are a beginner and you are investing 100 cedis, 200 cedis, 300 cedis, 400 cedis, 500 cedis, don't go for people who are buying 1,000 from 10,000 going. So that then go for people who are in your league. And one thing about this is like, if you're starting with a small amount, it's very difficult to get buyers from packs for. It's very difficult. And that one I'll be telling you is very difficult. And so the way that will help us is like, after buying this thing. So right now we have bought 8.34 USDT and we spent 100 cedis on it. Yeah. So when I go to my dashboard, you see that the USDT value will be there, and the total holdings will be what? Will be 8.34. It will be 8.34. Let me write it so that you all follow it well. It will be 8.34. Yeah, 8.34. Yeah. So we have two ways of what selling your USDT. One is by buying and selling your USDT on Evercent. How can you sell your Evercent? First of all, you have to study the chart. You see, the chart was 12, and all of a sudden it's reduced to what's 11. So probably for going to 12, it's an high, like it's probability of going to 12 is, let's say, more than half, like let's say 50% or 60%, because it will go to 12 again. And this today is best for you to buy your USDT, because USDT right now, let me relax. The USDT right now is 11, so it can shoot to 12 or 13. It can shoot to 12 or 13 in a few days. Yeah. So first of all, this is how you can make money over here. So I'm saying that we are trying to what? To grow our 100 cedis account. Yeah. So we can wait. Like study the chart. You see, like it was 12. Let's check the date. 11th. That's yesterday. It was 12, and it came down to 11.9. So every day it was growing, decreasing, growing, decreasing. So probability for it to go to 12 again, or even 12.5, is high. It's high. It's high. And last 2 days I was saying that when the USDT was 11.9, I told that I will not advise you to buy it and sell it over here, because it will take you like long days, or you will not get enough profit from it. But when it's 11, it is very necessary, or it's very good for you to buy it. So because if it's 11 and it shoots to 12 or 13, you can make profits from it. So you can wait for, let's say, 2 days or even 1 day. It can shoot to 12.5 or 13. That's how it works. So when it shoots to 12.5 or 13, remember we have 8.34 USDT in our accounts. So if we buy it, if you sell it at the rate of 13, this is how much we will make. So 8.34 times 13. So we will make 108.42. That means we have make what? We have make 8.42 cedis as what? As interest. So imagine doing this thing. Let's say it shoots to 13 within, let's say, within a day or something like that, and we did this, let's say 8.4, we did this, let's say 10 times. So 8.4, that's my interest. 8.42 times 10, 84 cedis. So if we do it 100 times, we are getting what? 842 cities. They will be saying, hey, Kenny, how can we do it 100 times? Joe, bro, you're not fast. That's why I said that doing dollar arbitrage, when the rate is very good, don't use only one phone. Me, I have almost 5 laptops, 2 phone, and 2 desktop. You see that thing? So when it is like this, you can open your account. And one thing about like this thing is like you can open the account on different this thing. So let's say you have opened an account on one phone, you'll be selling it, then first you buy it, then you sell it, then you'll be using one phone to do your calculation and things. So it's possible because me, I can't remember last year. It came to a time I did 50. Allah, I did 50 times, bro. I did 50 times. I was even shaking. I did 50. If I do it with one phone, then like it will be okay. Wait more. Then I'll open my other laptop, and it will be normal. Then I'll trade over there. You see that thing? That is why most of the forex traders and things you see them that they are using 3 or 4 screens. You see, that's how it is. So imagine if you are doing 100 times a day, you'll be getting 842 cedis. So that means you are what increasing your account. You are growing your 100 cedis account to what 1000 Ghana cedis a day. This is just a day, a day. Cause like if you go to the chat, let me like tell you something. If you check the chat, see, it's 11th October, 11th. Here all is 11th. So it was 12 yesterday, 5:30, and it came to here 12. You see, so it was going. Like you see how it is. It was going. So that's how it is. The charts can like it can go up and it can come down. So you have to study the charts well before you buy your this thing. But today, I would advise you to buy USDT today. I'll advise you to buy USDT today. So if you do this, it's easy for you to what? For you to grow your 100 cedis account to 1000 Ghana cedis. So this one way you can what? You can multiply your accounts by buying it and wait for the rates to shoot to top and what? Do your market. Yeah. Or you can buy it and you can spend 100 cedis and get 8.34 and go to packs 4. So when you go to packs 4, you go to what? You go to markets. Then you go to USDT. Then you go to sell. That means you want to sell your 8.34. And remember, we spend 100 cedis on it. So if you are selling it, you have to sell it and make profit from it. Yeah. So you can search for someone who has good rates. Me, I always trade with some guy be in Cameroon. That guy be my party. So you can search for a rate that is more favorable, that's more good to you. Because all these things, if you sell it, you will get a profit, but the profit will not be huge. So search for someone who has, let's say, 12, 13 plus. Something like this. But like let me go to a huge person. 13.2, 30.2, 30.91. Now I will still get someone 14 point something. So you can search and okay, this person is even selling it on Everton. That's easy. So that's a family friend. Let me say a family friend. Yeah, because like it's also on Everton, so it's easy for you people to do your transactions. It's easy. Yeah, and this person is from where? think this one's a Philippines. It's from Philippines, something like that. So this how you do it. Remember, I have 8.34 USDT in my account, and I spent 100 cedis on it. So I'm here to make profits. So first of all, 100 cedis. This person is limit is what 118. So that one is like his like it's a brother. Is it that thing? So let me say 200 cedis. 200 cedis. I'm not. Let's say 150. 8.43. 140. Okay. 8 now. 145. I still have some. 148. 13. Okay. 147. Okay. Maybe 140. Okay. 147 is good. Okay. Yeah. So I'm about to do a trade with this person. So right now I want to receive. You can check the top. I want to receive 147 Ghana cedis. And remember, I spent 100 cedis. So it means that I have 47 as what as profit. And this person will pay me straight to my Eversend account. Yeah. And you have to check this. The person is not online for 1 day. Before you want to do, like, let's say a daily arbitrage, you have to make sure that the person you are doing the arbitrage is online, so that you can do multiple times. If you do, then he pay you, then you do, then he pay you. So that thing, yeah, I'll advise you that you check for person who is online. But this one we are doing it for 12.6, so let's go straight to it. So if I'm receiving 147, that means I'm paying 8.31 USDT to that person. Yeah. So imagine I have 47 and I'm doing almost 50 times with this guy. 50 times with this guy. And this guy will be paying my money into my Eversend account. 47 times 50 times 50. 50 times. So I'm making 2,350 Ghana cedis. That's the profit. Check this thing. So right now, 100 is the money I'll be investing, and the 47 is the interest or the profit I'm making from it. So imagine I'm doing 50 times with this person. So 47 times what? 50, and I'll be getting 2,350 as what as my profits. So you see, so these are some of the easy way to grow your 100 cedis account to 1,000 or even more. And if you want basic tricks in this thing, you can chat me and I'll give you some basic tricks. That one there is like I'll only tell my paid students. So you can join my paid students and I'll teach you all these tricks. Yeah, so I think I'm done for today, and thank you. And I know that from today going, you'll be calling me, say, yeah, because of you, I've multiplied my interest, I've multiplied my profits from my arbitrage. That's what keeps me going, because I've been receiving a lot of comments from people. And please, if you are telling me, oh, I'm making, please send me money too, because Charlie, I'm doing this for free. Is that thing? Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm out.